also think that she will come out with some type of shampoo to pair with her products as well. I don't know if it's going to be with this launch coming up or in future launches, but I do think that she's going to come out with some type of black soap shampoo because that's what she created on her YouTube channel. And when when Whitney creates something or Natural 85 creates something, she pretty much sticks to it. What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now guys, in this video we'll be doing a Melanin Haircare review. For those that don't know, Melanin Haircare just dropped a new product to their collection. I got my hands on the Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. Here it is right here, guys. My package I actually got, here's the box right here. The Melanin soap did come in here, but I had to re-up on my twist elongating cream. Y'all, let me tell you how I ran out. Here is my old bottle. This was when it first came out. I went ahead and ordered it. I have like none left, so I went ahead and just repurchased it. If you guys have not seen this video where I talk about the twist elongating cream, I'll go ahead and tag it at the end of this video and up here so you guys can go ahead and watch it. But this was heaven. As you see, I ordered again. And also in the package, it did come with another card. So I love her little cards that she has. Here's her 2 cards. So this is pretty cool stuff. It talks about all of her old products, all of her new products. And guys, I also do have from her line the multi-use leave-in conditioner. I still have some left, so I didn't need to re-up just yet, but we're getting down to it because I love everything from Melanin Haircare. My package did not come with a lollipop this time, guys. Aww. I am a little bit sad. Comment below if you guys got a lollipop in your package. Normally I do get lollipops. I don't know what's going on, and I definitely look forward to those lollipops because they're so good. I'm not even lying. The Melanin Haircare lollipops are bomb. So I'm a little bit disappointed that I didn't get one in my package because I was definitely looking forward to that. I mean, it's no biggie, but I would have liked my lollipop. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and talk all about this new African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. I'm just going to go ahead and hop right on her website so you guys can see exactly what I see, and I'll put an overlay on my screen. Okay guys, so you should see the Melanin Haircare main page right here. Absolutely amazing. Her website is so gorgeous, and she's done a phenomenal job with it. But let's go ahead and find where, oh, and look, everything is sold out. Well, just about everything. Well, if you want to purchase the African Black Soap, it is sold out right now. Of course it is. And there's only 3 per limit. Oh my goodness. You guys are tearing this stuff up. Alright, so it does say to on wet hair, apply to the scalp and work into a lather. After massaging the shampoo into your scalp, draw the excessive lather down the length of your hair strands and rinse away thoroughly. For best results, follow up with the Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. This is a 16-ounce product. And of course, the first ingredient is water, which is one of my faves. And it does have that shea butter in there again, and also the cocoa butter, and a whole bunch of other natural products as well. So since it is sold out, I can tell you how much I placed my order for. Okay guys, so I did purchase the African Black Soap, and it was $19.89. So that's a pretty steep amount, but again, you're getting 16 point fluent ounces. So it's a steal for me. And I also reloaded on that twist elongating styling cream, and that cost me $17. So my total came to $47 with shipping, so almost about $50 for these 2 products. Again, that's pretty steep, but we love Melanin Haircare, so we're definitely going to be supporting her. Just watched on screen how the Melanin Haircare products work right on her website, and now you guys can go ahead and watch me actually use this on my hair. I just got back from vacation, so I needed to wash out all that chlorine and water and grime that was built up on my scalp. So this was the perfect shampoo to go in and clean and lather and cleanse my hair. Alright guys, so in the next videos to follow, you'll just watch me quickly wash my hair with this shampoo. Again, I had such a fun time doing so, just learning all about the product and how it pairs well with my hair. And you guys can go ahead and watch it now. I am back and out of the shower finally, so I can go in and take my hair down. You guys just watched me wash my hair with the new Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo with revitalizing tea tree, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seed. This is 16.1 fluid ounces, and y'all, it's huge. Like, it is really, really big. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just take down my hair. I just went ahead and washed it so it's all nice and clean. One thing I like about crochet hair is it does not really take that long to dry. It's already pretty dry, honestly, just by sitting in that towel. Alright guys, so I am back and my edges are now laid and slayed and I'm finally done. My hair feels so revitalized. The shampoo said exactly what it was going to do. It does help with reviving and revitalizing your hair. My scalp feels absolutely amazing with this tea tree. Guys, you got to go check out this shampoo. My favorite thing is that it's 16.1 fluid ounces. I really feel like Whitney, who's the owner of Melanin Haircare, is definitely changing the game, and some of you guys need to definitely step it up to keep up with her in 2020. And you can see I didn't even use a lot in the shower. It's still pretty full as well, and I was able to get a good use out of it. Melanin Haircare is definitely the way to go. I think that she puts a lot of time and effort into all of her products. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you purchased the Melanin Haircare shampoo, or if you guys are planning on purchasing it after you've seen this review. I will be using this in the videos to follow just because it's that amazing. So guys, washing crochet hair can be a little bit difficult. I know it gets heavy in the shower with all the extra added moisture. You have shampoo in your hair and it can just get a little bit wild and you may not be used to it. But using this tip really did help because I was able to focus in on certain sections of my hair that may have been more itchier than others. So I definitely give this an A+ and a 5-star rating just because of this nozzle tip. I was super surprised that it came all the way off and there's another tip underneath of it. I thought it was just going to come off a little bit to unscrew it and then you'll be able to pour it out. Make sure you guys don't lose this. That might be my only con that I don't like about the product, is this can easily get lost. I thought you would be able to just unscrew it a little bit and then start to pour it, but you actually have to take it all the way off. So maybe that's my only con, because if you lose this, then some of your shampoo might fall out. That's not a good thing. Guys, I really had so much fun talking about Melanin Haircare. I don't know what she's gonna come out with next. She already has a leave-in, a twisting cream, an oil. Now she has a shampoo. Like, what is she gonna come out with next? Like, she is killing it. I don't know, but I also did a predictions video a few months back about what she would be coming out with, and I think I did guess right about the black soap too. I'll go ahead and just tag it right up here so you guys can see it and what predictions I thought Melanin Haircare was gonna come out with later this year. And this looks phenomenal as it's another product in her collection. I do love the color scheme too. She's keeping it with the whites, the blacks, the peachy color, and now we have a little bit of brown in there as well. All right guys, I am so happy I got the chance to try out the new Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. This stuff definitely did my hair justice. If you guys learned how to wash your hair with crochet or a protective styling, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video. Without you guys, my journey would not be possible. So I thank you guys 1,000,000 times. You guys are really helping support my journey. But guys, without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. Please stick around to farther videos. I'll have some videos tagged at the end of this video so you guys can continue to watch my channel. But without further ado, my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.